Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to removing background and use overlay in CapCut PC. So it's very simple and I already have two clips here and I wanted to make this clip as an overlay and I want to remove the background. So how to be use overlay? Just move it to the top by dragging like this. Yeah, okay, just move to the top by dragging like this. And how to you can adjust for scale before. And how to remove the background, you can click the clip and you can click cutout here, and you can use a chroma key or auto cutout. By I want to use a chroma key here, and you can click color picker. You can choose the background that you want to delete like this, and you can adjust for strength and shadow like this, and you can adjust for scale. So that's how to removing background and use overlay in CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.